Hi, it's me once again with your math solutions. In this video, we'll be talking about rules of divisibility. But before we start, I would like you to do me a favor. Can you please like this video and subscribe if you've not subscribed, and please share after watching this video. Now let's get back to our topic. Now, what exactly is divisibility? We're now looking at dividing a whole number by another whole number and not getting any remainders. Now let's take a look at this. So let's look at 2. When the divisor is 2. How do you know a number is divisible by 2? Very easy. The last digit has to be an even number or 0. Okay? For any number to be divisible by 2, it has to end by an even number or 0. Let's take, for example, you have, let's say 24. Okay? 24 is divisible by 2. You have 27. Nah, 7 is an odd number, so definitely 27 is not divisible by 2. Let's say we have a large number. Let's say 3, 4, 1, 2, 0. The only digit we're interested in is the last digit. And we can say it's 0, means it's divisible by 2. Or we have another number like this, 4, 1, 2, 6, 7. We look at the last digit, and what is it? 7. An odd number. So the number is definitely not divisible by 2. So let's look at 3 as a divisor. How do you know if a number is divisible by 3? Very simple. Just sum up the digits in the number, and if it's divisible by 3, or if it's a multiple of 3, then 3 can divide that number. Let's take a look at this. Let's say, for example, we have 45. I want to find out if 45 is divisible by 3. All you have to do is to sum these digits. That's 4 and 5. That is 4 plus 5, which gives us, 4 plus 5, which gives us 9. And 9 is a multiple of 3. So definitely 45 is a multiple of 3. So let's look at 25. I want to find out if 25 is divisible by 3. We add the digits again. We have 2 plus 5, which gives us 7. And 7 is not a multiple of 3. So 25 is not a multiple of 3. Let's say you have a big number like 2409. Okay? You want to find out, you sum 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 9. Let's see, you have 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 9. And it gives us 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 0, 6. And 6 plus 9 gives us 15. And 15 is a multiple of 3. So it means that 2409 is a multiple of 3. So how do we know if a number is divisible by 4? What do we do? All you have to do is to look at the last 2 digits of the number. If it is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Let's take a look at this. Let's say we have, for example, we have 256. All you have to do is look at the last 2 digits and find out if it's divisible by 4. So if it is, then the number is divisible by, the full number is divisible by 4. So now 56 is actually divisible by 4. So it means that 256 is divisible by 4. Or you have something like this. You have 2116. We will be interested in this last 2. And we know 16 is divisible by 4. So this whole number, this 2116, is actually divisible by 4. Or we can have another number, 5, 1, 2. Okay, and we look at 1, 2, 12. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes, it is. So it means that 512 is divisible by 4. Then even if a number ends with 0, 0, it is divisible by 4. So let's look at how you know if a number is divisible by 5. That one is very easy. I like that one. It's once the last number is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay? If the number for 5, if the number is 5, the last digit is 5 or is 0, then that number is definitely divisible by 5. So if you like have all the numbers, once it ends with 5 or 0, is divisible by 5. So if you have, let's say we know 20 is divisible by 5, we know 100, we know 225. Let's say we even have a 6-digit number. I give us, let's say 210215. So 5 entered, 5 is the last. It's a multiple of 5. Or let's say 32610. So 5 ends in 0, it is divisible by 5. Now let's talk about a number, finding out if a number is divisible by 6. All you have to do is to find out if it's divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. For 2, of course, you know if the last number is an even number or 0. Then for 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Let's look at this. So let's say, for example, we have something like 240. Okay, 240. We know that it's 0. So because it ends with 0, definitely is a multiple of 2, or is divisible by 2. Then you count it again. Count the sum of the digits. 2 plus 4 gives us 6. And 6 is a multiple of 3. So 240 is a multiple of 3. So it means that 240 is a multiple of 2 and 3. That means it's a multiple of 6. So let's look at another one. Let's say 366. Okay? To find out if it's divisible by 2, of course it ends with an even number, which is 6, so it's divisible by 2. Then let's add this to find out if it's divisible by 3. I have 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. So it means that 366 is divisible by 6. How to find out if a number is divisible by 8? What do? You look at the last 3 digits of the number. If it's divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Let's take, for example, we have let me say 3, 2, 4, 8. We are interested in this. This will tell us, these last 3 digits will tell us if these numbers is divisible by 8. Okay? And 248 is actually divisible by 8. So it means that 3,248 is divisible by 8. You can take another example. Let's say a 5-digit number. We have 10064. I'm interested in the last 3 digits. And last 3 digits, we have 64. 064 is 64. And we know 64 is a multiple of 8. So it means that 10,064 is divisible by 8. So let's look at 9, how to know if a number is divisible by 9. Okay, what do? The same way we did with 3, but this time after summing up those digits, if the sum is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Okay, let's say, of course, we know 27, that's 27, is divisible by 9. I know you know 2 plus 7 equals 9, and 9 is a multiple of 9, or 9 is divisible by 9, and so 27 is divisible by 9. Or we can have, let's say, we have 45, okay? 45, 4 plus 5 equals 9. Or we even have 63, or you even have 243 is divisible by 9. That's 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. Or we can have 180 is divisible by 9. So basically, just sum up the digits, and if the sum is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Then the very interesting one, how to find out if a number is divisible by 10. Ooh. Once the last number is 0, once the last digit is 0, the number is definitely divisible by 10. Very easy. Very, very easy. I just love this part. I'll have to 0 is divisible by 10. For example, of course, you know 20 is divisible by 10. 230 is divisible by 10. Let's say 52350 is divisible by 10. And we know 1 million. Let's say 1 million. Ooh, is divisible by 10. So far the number ends with a 0. It is divisible by 10. So something else. Okay? If a number A is divisible by B, meaning that B is a factor of A, factors of B, okay, let's say factors of B, that's C and D, are also factors of A. Okay? So it's just like saying that A is the grandfather or grandmother, grandparents of C and D. Hope you got that. Okay? Because B is a factor of A, and C and D are factors of B. So it means that C and D are factors of A. Let's take an example. Let's say we have 100, for example. Okay? And 100 is divisible by 10. Okay? That means 10 is a factor of 100. It means that, and we know that 2 and 5 are factors of 10. So it means that 2 and 5 are factors of 100. So 100 is the grandfather or grandmother of 2 and 5. If a number is divisible by 2 or more numbers, then the LCM of those numbers is also divisible by that same number. Another example, let's say number E, okay, has factors F and G. Okay, so what we're trying to say is that the LCM of F and G is also a factor of E. So let's take, for example, any number that has 6 and 8 as factors has 24 as a factor. Okay, so if 6 and 8 are factors of a bigger number, or are if a number is divisible by 6 and 8, it means that that number is divisible by 24, because 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. I hope that's clear. Play a little divisibility game. Now we have a set of numbers here, and we have the divisors up here, and we're going to find out if each number is divisible by these numbers. Let's start. Now this first one, we have 360. Is it divisible by 2? You bet it is. Why? Because the last digit is 0. So we take it. Good. Now let's find out if 3 is divisible. We have, what do you remember? We just discussed it now. So we have 3, we add up the digits. We have 3 plus 6 gives us 9, plus 0, 9. So 9 is a multiple of 3. So 3, tick. For 4, we have last 2 digits, 60. 60 is definitely a multiple of 4. And so we tick 4. Then 5, last digit 0. It is a multiple of 5. And 6, you can see is a 2 is divisible and 3 is divisible. So basically 6 is divisible. Then 300, then for 8, the last 3 digits, yes, it's divisible. Then for 10, last digit 0, so 10 it is. So 360 scored all good in with all the divisors. Now let's look at 435. 5 is the last digit, so 2 definitely can go. So we exit. Let's say 3. Let's sum up our digits. We have 4 plus 3 gives us 7. 7 plus 5 gives us 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So we take it. 4. Since 2 didn't make it, 4 would definitely not make it. So we exit. 5 should make it because the last digit is 5. So yes, you got it. 6. 3 got it, but 2 didn't get it, so 6 won't get. So we exit. And for 8, definitely 2 didn't get it and 4 didn't get it. 8 will definitely not be able to get it. And 10 is a no-no because it didn't end with 0. So it was just 3 and 5 that got it here. Let's look at 3,240. It ended with 0, so 2 goes. Take 3, let's find out for 3. You have 3 plus 2, 6, plus 4. Sorry, 3 plus 2, 5, plus 4, 9. So 3 would go. Will 4 go? 40 will definitely go. So take 5, yes, should go because it ended with 0. Take 6 should go because 2 passed and 3 passed, so 6 has to pass. 8, let's see, 240 is definitely divisible by 8. So, and of course, it's a no-brainer, 0. Woo! And so 3,240 got everything. So we have 2005 is a no for 2 because it ended with 5 with an odd number. Then for 3, let's find out. 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 is not a multiple of 3. So we exit. Let's look at 4. 2 didn't make it, 4 will make it. Ooh. And 5, yes, it ended with 5, so 5 made it. 6 will make it, 2 didn't make it, 3 didn't make it, so 6 is definitely not making it. 8 is not making it. And 10 is not making it. Ooh. So you have 7, 1, 3, 8. Let's see. 2 is making it. because it ended with 8, which is an even number. 3, let's find out for 3. You have 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. Nah, it's not working. Let's see, 4, 38 is not a multiple of 4, so 4 is not working. Let's see, 5, not working. It didn't end with 0, it didn't end with 5. 6, not working because 3 didn't work. 8 won't work because 4 did not work. 10 won't work because it didn't end with 0. So that's it. So let's look at 6,328. Yes, 2 will work. Let's find out if 3 will work. We have 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 again. 3 won't work. It's not working. Will 4 work? 28. 4 should work. 5's not working because we end it. So let's see. Did 6 make it? 3 didn't make it, so 6 is definitely not making it. Now, will 8 make it? Let's look at it. 3, 2, 8. 3 should definitely make it. Then, of course, 10 didn't make it because they end with 0. I hope you've been able to learn how exactly these things work in this video. So if you have any questions, any queries, any comments, feel free to use the comment section. Please try as much as possible to solve as many questions as possible. And don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.